Look at that guy on video dancing like a fairy.
Ladies and gentlemen, until this storm passes, we're going to shut the system down. Please be aware that the weather can get quite severe. This is the perfect conditions for some serious weather conditions, so please be mindful, be cautious. If you brought a tent or if you have any type of umbrellas or anything, make sure it's strapped down or put it away in your car before the wind catches it and damages someone's automobile. Let's all make an effort to help everyone else out. Thank you.